Welcome to my channel, steveO the window cleaner, and today I'm going to show you just a first look at the new Xero Lite Nylon brush. This is a new brush from Xero. Has these nylon bristles on the outside with this circular shape here at the edges, and then these very stiff nylon bristles here in the middle. You're always just going to have a rinse bar here on the top there. And then also you have your fitting here, and you can do either 5/16 hose or high flow hose. And then also, cool little feature in here, a very, very small screen that goes right in the top here, right there, just to stop any debris getting in there and clogging that. So what I have here is a reducer. So this is gonna be 5/16 to 10 millimeter, which is the high flow hose size. That's gonna go on there. You can get this with the Fast Lock fixed adapter, or you can get it with the Fast Lock swivel. I've always really liked the swivel, so that's what I'm going to do it with. Next, I'm going to hook it up with a Xero Pierce system and a Xero micro pole, and just show you all of that as well. Okay, so got the Xero micro here. I'm going to put the high flow hose through the bottom, and I got 100 feet here of high flow hose. Find this to kind of be the easiest way if you always have your hose separate from your pole when you get to jobs. Got your Fast Lock angle adapter here. Run that through there, right through the top. Open up your number 1 clamp. Lock that in. Good to go there. Then, the new Xero Lite brush. Gonna click right on there. Got a really nice swivel to it there, and we'll get this in there too. What's really cool about this is that if you want, you could technically put the contact scrubber on the back of here. Well, that's a deal with all Xero setups, but if you want a little extra scrub, nylon's really good. I do like boar hair as being the most aggressive, but having these a lot stiffer bristles in here will be really good for agitation on dirty windows. Let's turn the water on. And I'm just using the Xero Pierce for this. So we have about 45 PSI for my water source right now, so not super high. We got about a half a gallon per minute coming in as far as that goes with the average pressure, but the high flow hose allows for more volume to the brush. So you can check that out. So that's just with about a half a gallon from the system and 100 feet of high flow hose. So that's a 1/4 inch in our diameter, and we're getting great flow from there. Boom. Got that swivel motion. Let me give it some extra slack here with the hose so we got good movement. And that's that. Let's see it on the glass. Really nice thing about this rinse bar is that it's, if you can see that there, it's getting right above those bristles. I still would do the same technique with this style of brush, but you're really gonna feel it glide, and it's super light. And we've got bumpers there on the side, so we're not gonna damage any frames or anything. You see as you come down, you get that really good amount of water just coming over the top bristles. So if you want to rinse on the glass, do this type of motion, you really could. And that angle, you're not going to change on the brush of the rinse bar, it's just always going to be there. What a nice first look at it. But I mean, look at that flow with the high flow, just with 45 PSI from my source, and we're still getting really good flow. A high flow hose makes a huge difference. I would always suggest running that as much as possible. And then if you need extra hose from the system to the pole, use like a 3/8 rubber hose to keep that flow consistent. You can see the difference here. That's a very nice hydrophilic window. You can rinse there. If you were doing dirty windows for the first time, I'd still say give your frames a good scrub. Rinse, and then do this so that you don't get any dirt coming down. But look at that flow if I take it away from the glass. Really, really good with just minimal flow from an RODI system at half a gallon to 0.7, and it's about 38 degrees out, so it's pretty impressive. Just so you can see a little bit more close up of what it's doing on the glass there. You can just see how that rinse bar there is just right above the bristles. Even if I'm splayed, it's still there. And we're just running a RODI system with that high flow hose. It's pretty impressive. So that's it as far as the first look at the new Xero Lite Nylon brush. Once again, you can get it with the swivel, you can get it with the fast lock. This retails right now at $149.99. I do know that there will be more versions here in the future as far as different bristles, maybe boar hair, stuff like that. So those will be all to come. This is only available at xeroproducts.com, so I will put links to this in the description and in the comments for you to check it out. If you got any further questions about it, please comment below and I'm happy to answer any of those questions. I hope you all have a great day and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.